Hey everyone, today I'm making crème brûlée. It looks simple, cream, eggs, sugar, vanilla, but the secret is gentle heat. If the heat is too high, the eggs can scramble. If you overbake it, the custard loses its smooth, creamy texture and becomes grainy or buttery. So today I want to show you 3 simple checks: ribbon, jiggle, touch. For this recipe, I use egg yolks, whole egg, heavy cream, vanilla bean, and sugar. First, scrape the vanilla bean. Separate the yolks. Add the egg yolks, whole egg, then divide the sugar in half. Half goes into the egg mixture, half goes into the cream. Now add the heavy cream, vanilla pod, and the sugar into a pot, and half of the sugar into a bowl. Whisk gently until smooth. Do not whisk too much because we do not want to add a lot of air. Heat the cream until it is steaming hot. Not boiling, just steaming. Slowly pour the hot cream into the egg mixture. This warms the eggs gently so they do not scramble. Then pour everything back into the pot. Cook on medium to low heat and stir gently. Do not walk away. Now we look for the first check, the ribbon check. When the custard coats the spatula and looks thick, it is ready. You can run your finger through the custard on the spatula. If the line holds and does not run back right away, the custard is ready for baking. Then pour it into ramekins. Place the ramekins on a tray. Use a ladle to pour the custard into ramekins. Add a little hot water to the tray to create gentle heat while baking, not too much. Bake at 340 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes. Do not walk away, but the timer is only a guide. The custard will tell you when it is ready. The second check is the jiggle check. When you gently move the ramekin, the custard should jiggle like jello, not liquid, not stiff. The third check is the touch check. Gently touch the surface of the custard. If it does not stick to your finger, it is ready. Do not overbake. After baking, let it cool, then chill it in the fridge. When it is cold, sprinkle sugar on top and torch it until golden and crisp. I like a dark, thick sugar crust. Yeah, like that. And that is crème brûlée. Smooth custard, crisp caramel. Simple ingredients, but careful heat. Remember, ribbon before baking, jiggle after baking, touch to confirm. A good custard does not follow only the clock, it follows the heat. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.